Today we're going to talk about how to open a young coconut with a Swiss Army knife. First, here is how we are not going to open the
coconuts!
Hi everyone, I'm sure many of you have seen YouTubers doing this with a kitchen knife or a fixed blade, and this got me thinking, what is the best and safest way to open a young coconut with a Swiss Army knife? And here's how. First, we're going to use a large blade to remove all the husk on top of the coconut. Tip number 1. When working with a slip joint knife like Victorinox, always cut through and slice through in only one direction. If your blade ever gets stuck, don't ever try to pull back to free the blade, because it may close onto your fingers. Here I want to cut into a B-roll and listen to how the blade almost closed onto my fingers. That scared the bejesus out of me. Luckily I managed not to cut myself and got myself into a bloodbath. Next we're going to use the awl to make an opening. Tip number 2. Once the husk is removed, you will see the ridge lines dividing the crown into 3 segments, 2 quarts and 1/2. Insert the awl into the middle of the half. This is supposed to be the weakest point. Notice how I hold onto the awl. This is to prevent the awl closing onto my fingers. I learned this trick from Felix Immler, a famous sock expert on YouTube. I'll put his link below for reference. Finally, insert the flathead to crack open the top and continue to pry open with the can opener. If you have removed enough material and thinned out the top, this should be rather easy without using much any force. But if you find it difficult, don't overexert yourself with the flathead or you may damage your sock and warp the liners of the knife. Go back and use the knife to remove more husk before trying again. If the top is still stubborn even after all that, you could also try thinning out with a wood saw or drilling more holes with the awl to make it work. Anyway, please be careful with all the sharp tools. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and I see you in the next video.